Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near St. Augustine Beach, or near St. Augustine, moving northeast at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots, or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Dorothy Louise Barge, 9 Mile Reef, St. Augustine Beach, and St. Augustine. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. If your vessel is caught offshore, immediately secure for heavy weather. Ensure all crew members are wearing USCG-approved Type R life jackets and non-essential crew are below decks. Deploy jack lines and harnesses if available. Check life-saving equipment, including batteries on handheld radios, for readiness. The severe thunderstorm. Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wedgefield, Avalon Park, Vista, and Christmas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is also occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, lightning can strike beyond 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Special weather statement. County, East Central eastern Seminole County in east central Florida, northwestern Brevard County in east central Florida, east central Orange County in east central Florida, southeastern Volusia County in east central Florida, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mifflin and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oviedo, Winter Springs, Utah, Mifflin, and Juliana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Excessive cloud to ground lightning is also occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, lightning can strike beyond 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Flood advisory for the following.
Okay.
Flash flood warning for the following counties in Florida, Brevard, and Orange. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Brevard County in east central Florida, east central Orange County and east central Florida until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 4.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1.5 to 3.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Titusville, Wedgefield, Christmas, Mims, Bithell, Lagrange, and Turnbull. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida, Brevard, and Orange. The severe thunderstorm warning for South. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Brevard County in east central Florida until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge, or near Playlenda Beach, moving east at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Playlenda Beach, Hallover Canal, Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge, and Klondike Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is also occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, lightning can strike beyond 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.